Pasternack Assembly employees undergo specialized training and internal IPC certification to ensure a thorough understanding of the processes involved in assembling Pasternack Hi-Rel cables. Pasternack applies a 36-step workflow, of which 5 steps are dedicated to incoming material flow, and 31 are devoted to assembly and order processing. Every critical mechanical and electrical property of the cable assembly is verified. Our technician is performing a PIN gauging test right now, and once complete, there will be an official sign-off. Standard processes include ensuring the pin and connector attachment is held to J Standard 001 Class 3 soldering standards. The standard is most applicable to mil-aero applications, but we use it on all our Hi-Rel assemblies, regardless of the end application. We also ensure that crimping is done according to AS 2250 standards. And all Hi-Rel cable markings are designed to meet SAE AS 5941 standards. Pasternack's overall assembly workmanship is held to IPC WOHMA A620 Class 3 standards. Visit us online at pasternack.com to configure and customize your Hi-Rel cable assemblies and have them shipped today.